Every young person on our program has something in common. Not where they grew up, not which school they go to, but the fact that they don't often get to experience what's possible for them.
Hello, my name is Andreen Allen, and I'm the founder and CEO of AA Educates. Today we had the amazing opportunity to bring some young children to EY to engage in their financial literacy workshop. Sessions like today are so important for our young people because they get to experience things that they wouldn't necessarily experience in school, and also they are able to then take those skills and use them in the wider world when they do go on to create their own careers.
At AA Educates, we believe a young person's future should be determined by their natural passions, talents and interests, not their postcode or their household income. Our Shaping Futures program connects young people aged between 14 and 24 with the real-world skills, confidence and experiences they need to step into employment, further education, or even start their own businesses.
Today, we've captured what happens when a large multi-billion-pound corporation opens its doors and says, "We see you." Our students arrived uncertain, lacking belonging, but left feeling welcomed, knowing that a corporation like EY has a place for them.
Hi, my name is Waris and I found today really exciting because I haven't really had a chance to come here before, and I learned a lot of new stuff, different stuff like how to manage money, how to bargain.
Hi, my name is Abubakar Talawilla. I found today very exciting and a new experience because usually we don't get to experience stuff like this in school, and to be part of this separate group is really special to experience this. I learned a lot of things today. I learned how to haggle, how to ask for prices, how to raise prices, how to get other people to lower their prices. And yeah, that was a really special experience for me to experience today.
What I notice when I bring young people to places like EY is that they come alive, they rise to the occasion, and they leave feeling seen. That feeling, it changes everything. I know because it once changed me. Young people are not lacking potential, they are lacking opportunity. And we have the power to change that. It is time to shape the next generation. It's time to shape their futures together. Because when they win, we all win. Being a fully qualified teacher myself with over a decade of teaching experience,
I know how important it is to educate our young people on what their next steps are, how we can pave the way for them. And I think these partnerships just help to highlight how amazing it is when corporations and educators come together to put on workshops that children are able to learn from, engage in, and then use it to potentially thrive in their future careers.